Hey everyone, Austin here again with Milwaukee Tool, and I am fueled out to core out our competition. Gone are the days of being tethered to a cord. Powered by our MX platform, our coring drill provides you with convenience, power, and safety. Powered by the MX battery, you can core anywhere. You are no longer tethered to a cord. With the MX battery, you're also able to core up to 6-inch holes through reinforced concrete with an ease. And if that's not all, you're also backed by our auto stop technology that'll lock out this tool when faced with 35-degree aggressive angle, and that'll look like this. For any more information, come on down to Mekco-Supply or visit MilwaukeeTool.ca.